Maayong hapon ka natong tanan and welcome back to another episode of the Joey Manguera podcast. Kani ako ang bisita karon usa ka suod ni nahigala nako. Nakauban ako sa basketball sa una no katong panahon na medyo daot-daot paming duha. Nya karon na overweight na. Pero kani siya usa ni siya kahaligi sa Cebu Basketball mga higala. Siya nagpurmaan ng liga na MCBL na naato nang nailhan karon na nagtabang gihapon sa katong mga na-retire na mga basketball players na gusto gihapon mo duwa sa duwa na atong gihigugma na basketball. So way langan pa ako ila atong bisita karon Javi Bautista.
Hi, hello.
May hapon. Kumusta?
All good.
Kumusta?
Okay lang. Buhi gyapon.
Buhi gyapon, no? So bitaw MCBL Mango Jobs is a very promising league man jud bitaw. So I guess mo straight lang jud a little background lang sa nimo. Basketball player man ka because I remember na nagkauban man ta sa San Carlos Team B pa kuato nya Team A pa ka. So can you tell us a little about your basketball life lang kami?
First started as a basketball player in San Carlos as a sulti ka nga team bita kauban ta. I remember pasambat kag bola sa una to. Sa practices ba. Then from there I started playing in San Carlos for 4 years. And then after I graduated nag-Southway. Okay, si Coach Mike niya to mag-Southway that time. Then coach na ako sa San Carlos was Coach Mike. After that si Coach J Mac. William ako, rest in peace, Coach J Mac. Then from there, si Coach Mike, nahibong si Coach Mike, napaday ko 1 year residency because that time, wa mo ko kaduwag 1 year sa San Carlos. Ineligible ko. So, funny thing kayo, na ineligible ko, it's because I lacked, I think, 2 units mo siguro to? 2 units or 1 unit. Yeah. Ang reason gidrop na ako ang usa ka unit. Kay natoy katong akong ex ba. Di siya ganahan mag-classmate me. Di siya ganahan mag-classmate me. Siko, di lagi drop lagi nalagay. Siko, patay. Siko. Then wala ko ka timing ato na wala ko ka check na kuwang dayang units na ako. So akong gidrop. So pag eligibility na pag next season, so patay di ko pwede kay not counted man yung PE o kanang NSTP.
Wala.
So dili na siya counted. So sabi ko patay ta ani. But still maybe blessing this guys nakaduwa ko 1 year for Southwestern gyapon. Okay, after I graduated, then nagparty kami. Then as I've said, Coach Mike asked me, may 1 year, Coach Mike Tagalog eh. So may 1 year ka pa pala. So ako Nilton and si Mark Panerio. So kami tatlo. So tulo mi na gi-invite ni Coach Mike sa Southwestern. So okay, that time Southway wala naman to silang Ortuyo, silang Poligrates. Basta guard wala. Ang nabili nila lang si Pahantoy.
Pahantoy ito niya.
Jan Pahantoy. So nabili ka to lang. So sige coach, no problem. Of course under Coach Mike, we all know man na mayo as mentor na to. So, sige coach, do kami. Enroll me. Masterals. Masterals.
Para makaduwa.
Pero tinadala, maigo na masterals. So kitabangan mi si Miss Queenie. Shout out to Miss Queenie. Nasa Lapu-Lapu siya. So, kitabangan mi, enroll mi. So, ma'am, unsa may makuha na? O sa may enroll na mo? Siya. Karang wala dapat sa San Carlos. So, ngita mi. So, sige ma'am, bisugon sa lang. Bisugon sa lang. Okay,
so, at the time was, di pa ba na medical school? Di ba?
I think,
di ba medical? More medical sila karon.
More medical sila karon. But that time was run by the Asnar family. So, sige. So, paguman, enroll me. And just, pagtanaw na ako sa schedule, Saturday, Sunday man. So, of course, Masterals, diba? Saturday, Sunday. Broken schedule man. Ano ko? Naglisura, sud nila.
Practice pa.
Practice. Sud ka for 2 hours, break kag 3 hours, sud na pud ka 2 hours awod. Wa masud ay. Wa jugo kita sa akong eskwela sa akong classroom. Wa ko kita sa akong classmates. Sige lang, graduate man sa. So ako for the sake of playing lang pod. But yeah, so from there started coaching also with Paris Springdale.
Right after college,
No,
after the
during
Sotos.
pa. I mean, San Carlos pa ko. I was an assistant coach already for Coach Paul.
Okay.
Polo Ben, Coach Norman. Polo Ben, the goat of all goats. USC goat, point guard yan. Okay, so from there, assistant ko sa Springdale. Started 2010. So medyo dugay-dugay na.
So while nag-active juga sa varsity scene, you were coaching for Springdale.
While active ko sa varsity, so after practices namin, after class, mo coach ko sa Springdale, so assistant ko. So pila sweldo mo ato. Pero of course, kato nga amount okay na for a student as a college player. So from there, then daghan ko niagi na head coaches, then hantod karon naapa ko until na ako na nahimog head coach for I think for the past 4 years siguro. Past 4 years ako na. Then while doing that, I did the side job for making the MCBL. Started lang parang I thought na bakit tawag ito sa Manila. I always keep on saying this type of leagues na why can't we do this in Cebu? So kita ko sa Manila like one is the king of the court. KOTC, king of the court.
So muna inspiration mo
sa okay yung ginagawa nila. Then they have live streaming, the stats, the pictures, the videos. I go, why can't we do it in Cebu? So then I started doing some research. I'm thinking na unsay mga difference na ako sa other leagues. Of course, there will be the leagues like the indie, the elite leagues, the pioneering leagues. So of course, if I'm going to make a tournament or a league, I have to be different. Okay, para at least mga tao ma-attract. So that's what I've said a while ago na that time was naman social media naman to.
Na. Pwede pa kay ngani ka hype pa.
2014, 15, 16, 17. So hindi pa hype. So I took the advantage of using the social media. And then yung as I've said kanina na I look for a difference. So best players of the game. So nag-graphics ako. Shout out to Hael Pinat, Michael Pinat. Mauna akong graphics na started dito talaga. First ever graphic artist na ako sa Cebu. Siya. Then I found out kung ano usay ganahan nako mo may nabuhat po niya. So yun nagsabot mi o man yung buhaton for I think for mga 5 seasons siguro. But until now he's been doing some graphics also. So from there unsay difference what I did is I partner with uniform with the uniforms which is the Rad Chameleon before.
So during the first season sa MCBL,
yun yung partner ko.
Ni partner ni Rad Chameleon.
Kay before manggod ang uniforms manggod kay sa tawag ni
upper kamukha
silk screen. Silk screen. So bugat silk screen. That was the time na 2013, 2014 booming ang sublimation.
Mo bago sa sublimation. Yes.
So yung duta ni.
Nabit kayo.
Nabit ko kausa I think ang katong Titan na brand. I remember Cebulan Master sa Shaba. Order sila. I think ang set ata 3,500. Mahala na Pero the quality
3,500
per set.
What sa may naana na set?
Sabli, like
jersey and shorts
jersey
lang.
and shorts.
Mahala sa una,
That
no?
was the time. Oo, siyempre. I think pioneering pa tong ang Titan.
Sa sublimation.
Titan and LGR yun So pioneering sila. So of course, they have the demand. Tanaw ako. Sumahala na pero pila raman. Say, you do the costing ba? But of course, you're paying for the brand man also and the quality. So from there, I partnered with Rad. I partnered with Rad. So with the registration fees, included na ang uniforms.
So I think kato na time na nailibre uniforms. Were you the first one to nailibre uniforms? Yes, because
na sublimation.
Because I remember nakaduwa jugog indie sad and elite no shout out sa ni
Bertoni and
Ayan Diman og si Bertoni Salazar. Nakaduwa ko sa liga mura ra man gud ang teams like kamoy bahala sa yung jersey dia, di ba? And then you just come here to play.
They have their own jerseys then but yun nga it's a silk screen so medyo gahi so from there yun start na ako then I think season 1 I had 10 teams or 12 teams. Yeah.
So mo ang first ni mo 10 teams dayon of the gate.
12 teams. And then from there ni boom yun nga, start ang mga best players of the game, the graphics, and then started season 2 na yung mga nakapil na.
Apertesa, before sa season 1, like of course start ka na magsugod tag something lisod medyo kayo na.
Oo.
What were the challenges in the starting season 1? Kanang first season dyan nimo?
First season kana the league format,
Okay.
the ins and outs of organizing the tournament, connecting the referees, the players, making the rules. The rules is number one
rules,
din na. Kay kung wag mga maro biya ni mga Cebuano ha kay basta kayo makita ng mga rules ya wala dito patay ka. So as I've said, I made it lang black and white. So you will have a meeting, solidarity meeting. Klaro ta dire monitoran. So I think that's the one advantage I have na in this MCBL is I have the proper rules already. So kanang the black and white rules pa. So if ever na mo reklamo, malaro kayo. Tarawang rules. Article 1 na. Okay, coach.
Okay.
Okay, coach.
Okay, coach.
So wala daga storya. Aside compare wala talaga no, so daga storya pa. So yeah, the challenge this, kanang scheduling.
Pero balik ta sa rules, making the rules, what are there any special rules na gusto nimo i-point out? Kasi may mga rules
Actually, dagan na suko na ako ng varsities ani kasi I think I started the no X varsity.
Mo lagi.
Dagan na suko like mga amigo na ako sumungkoy mo raw nga di varsity kay ang imong gipang ineligible puros mga varsities ako sige na lang good kay you had your chance already, let's give a chance to the other players also na mura bito ka nang mura sa varsity na feel ba. So that's the first
the first season yes.
season na actually that's what I did na why did I create this league is just mga local players bitaw na kana bitaw mura ma-feel nila na kana they're the spotlight bitaw. So that's the reason why. Okay, so ko ang varsities kay na mo spotlight na mo sapidaan. So okay sila na pod relax mo diya pero himuan lagi mo lagi maghimo tag liga para ninyo. So sige mo to started. So that's why I reached season 1, season 2 and season 3 I reached at least I think 64 teams. So that's the biggest
ang season 3 na
season
64 teams.
64 teams. So
Grabe,
kahit ako
no?
na shock. I was shocked na. But the good thing there was not I own the City Sports. yung mga
Owners.
ang slot ng City Sports Club. That was a time na wala pa kayo mo gamit sa City Sports. So of course, I'm very keen also with the venues man sad. So hindi ko ganahan venues na di bitaw in line with the branding that I want for the MCBL. So City Sports gwapong venue, it's a private area and then naman tayo blue court and green court, di ba?
Blue court.
So wa ko'y problema from Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays kami mga ble, kami manirado. Ingato ka like walay mo gamit before. Like even the stakeholders, they don't use the gym. Ano lang sila Monday to Friday ra na sila. So gabi. So ako Saturday Sunday, sir, why mo gamit kare? Kasi ako'y gamit. So yan other players, other teams as coach, mahuman ka ataan eh. So nahuman may siguro 64 teams, nahuman may 4 months or 5 months.
Okay, so first season 10 teams, second season
more or less 10, then second season 20 or 24.
Okay, third mo to 64
third,
teams.
Nag-64 na right away. So
I think
that's when I started na 6 foot under.
Pero mutan ako kay is good magag teams. Sa teams mo good, how do you recruit these teams? Unsay paagi sa pag-recruit nimo? Sige, mutan ako nimo ani. Like when especially starting out na bago pa kayo.
Wala some like common friends, kaila mga boss, makila mga boss po nato, mga ila common friends and some like through social media na they will message us how much how's the registration,
post ka to social media.
Social media right away. Then from there
to 10
teams to 10 to 20 excuse me, to 64. Then after that 64, that was a time na so of course there will be people man talaga na if they see what you're doing, they will try to do it also.
So murag ni click man.
So sabi ko, for me, why problem? Because the main goal I started doing the MCBS, one is to create a platform for Cebuano people. So I think that's my goal. That's the vision already. So as I've said before, the vision here, when I started the league, in 3 years' time, excuse me, in 3 years time, boom na gid ang mga leagues sa Cebu, which it happened.
So mo dito yung timetable niya to na.
So which it happened. 2017 I started the league, 18 and 19, and then nag-pandemic, and then pagka 21, yun na. So I don't know if it's, I'm not saying it's solely because of me, but maybe because of also the pandemic. But so maybe I think because I know some people na gumawa ng liga ngayon na they're up and running until now. Na naging player sa MCBL before.
Okay. So,
I know some people na naging player na sa MCBL. So for me, walang problem. It's no problem. But because that was my goal talaga na just to expand the basketball community in Cebu.
bitaw kay misgot na sa basketball community bitaw sa una manggod wala manggod kay ingana na klase na liga before na-up like nisgot na sa indie and elite pero like limited ra kayo ba now makita na ako personally aside sa MCBL na may mga lain liga na dire same basically same format na so shout out sa MCBL di ba syempre
Yeah.
giving ballers a chance
dagan so kanang actually sometimes gani murag mag-guilty sad ko kay I know some organizers also or some players na they try to do a league but hindi natatapos. Or they do a league but they think na it's that easy. So as always says ako dili sayon mo himog liga na quality na ingani na
dinaghan pa jud
bulto. So I think it's also kind of some parts siguro na parang it's my fault also because I make it look easy for them. Di ba? So I made it look easy for them. Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi ko, so behind this highlights, behind this tournaments, behind this organizing, there's like the sleepless nights.
yes
Number one, the rules. Number one, the eligibility. Second, the rules, eligibility, schedules.
kana scheduling 64 teams sound sa na
Karon lisod kayo mo kuwag schedule karon for the basketball court kay tungod sa kadaghan, di ba? So it takes effort talaga. It takes an organized group talaga na it won't take just one person lang. Ako daghan mo og tao like si Neil, like silang like mga partners na ako si Japheth, si Christian, si Mick Moreno, like silang Paulo, silang Abel, silang Maki, dagan. So, nanakay group yun.
Nakay-grupo,
like, for example, kung wala ko, pwede sila. Because, of course, I can't be there at all
64
the times.
64 teams,
So,
diba?
na mo commissioner, na mga referees na ako. So, I do it ahead. So, what I do is plot it ahead right away. Para mahuman. So, yeah.
scheduling the courts.
I think mo to yung, nagunahon ako ba, part masiguro akong karang at fault ba na I made it too easy for them. But, yeah,
okay, parang chill-chill. Baka mag-short, picture na yun. Posting video, nag-itsa rito.
Diba? So, parang relax ba? So, well, but it's a good thing na may mga organizers na nilas good. So, yeah. So, from there, the 64 teams, then 4, 5, 6, until 13 karon.
Grabe, no? So, aside sa logistics and of course the rules, were there financial struggles also?
Oh, definitely.
Okay. Let's talk about
yung mga teams na hindi mo bayad. Especially like, tawag ito, like, karang
Tagak na.
eliminated na. So, what I did is like, follow up always, ingan na. But sometimes, usay, di na dyan kakalikay na ingani. So, of course, maban na lang din sila. But then again, that's always said, gamay raman si Bugod. So, if maban imong team or ban imong players, hindi na makaduwa sa MCBL. So, just sayang pod or nga na ba?
No.
So, but some teams man they just want to join MCBL for experience lang. I mean, aminado man sa kung MCBL is not, it's a premium league na dili kanang barato ba? Because I also value it man na if you pay this much, you get this much also.
Yes.
So you have the live streaming, you have the games, the venues. Number one, the venues. Dili bito ka ng barangay you have the venues, of course. You have the pictures, the highlights, and all. So yeah, I think one of the reasons also na as I've said a while ago, every year ko mag-elevate. The one I had na live streaming, next one I had the stats already.
katong
Next one,
stats,
the game pictures,
Katong
photos.
stats, lingaw kay ko atong stats, bitaw, kinumdum ba ito?
Bukol ba ni siya?
Napay plus minus, kuya, points,
Efficiency, yan na.
rebounds,
So
yes.
that was the FIBA Live stats before. So mo na ang dili lang masundog sa other leagues kay premium to. So medyo mahal gid to na
Yes.
na stats. So but now I switched with the Stats Central because I started with nangita man ko ganang sa live bitaw. Ma-integrate na ako ang stats sa live mismo.
Okay.
So if ang stats man sige pislet dire so kasi naka-score, naka-shoot, automatic mo plus 2 na or plus 3 sa live. So I don't need an operator already sa laptop.
Okay,
So
wait.
once I do it live, bahala na diya, ma-set up na ako stats. So ang stats sige nag-feed sa laptop na lang.
So bisang nakashoot ba ron si Bautista, lista na
yung
niya.
pangan, yung naong, Joey Manguera dito, 2 points, 3 points. Magawas mo. Natay pictures, magawas yung now. So that's
Grabe,
the reason,
no?
one of the reasons why I partnered with Stats Central already with Kenneth Canales. I partnered with him because I'm trying to look like every year, I'm trying to look to what's the improvement. And good thing, it's positive man ang feedback kasi gwapo man ang layout na mo. And I try to help also Kenneth to do the layout sa mga pambuhaton. Bro, man yung buhatay ngani. So everything that I learned karon, I learned it through experience and through like kanang unsay magandang angle ana. Ultimo like kanang mga camera, mga live. When I started doing this, nag-cover me sa Vismin. KCS.
KCS, sa katong
Coach man
Vismin
ako
Cup.
sa KCS before.
So kami na-cover sa atong Vismin Cup at the time.
Katong pandemic,
Katong pandemic,
katong dako issue. Mo atong dako issue.
Lagi.
Di ito ba kay Migo ba ito nato.
Mga amigo na to.
Katong dako issue. So that was the time sa ko going to the Vismin Cup na. So that was the time na nag-cover me, gikuha mi ni Rocky Chan, Vismin Super Cup. That was the time na pandemic.
Pandemic
So
to.
number one purpose is like because of pandemic, they want to do some work, trabaho sa mga players. So okay, sige, nagbubble mi sa Alcantara. Shout out to the mayor of Alcantara, very hospitable. Mayor Fritz. So dito kami nag-cover with Cebu Sports Live with my partner Roy Ruiz. So from there, cover me and then I started doing the directing. Basically si Roy, when we started, I tried to, Roy was the technicality, but ako nag-try to, say buhaton, nga. More director lagi. So it's all based on experience and just observing on the PBA, on what they're doing, even the flow of the game. So from there, so tanan akong ibabot based on experience lagi.
Bito so, which is karon na unadaan na jud.
Because ko na good. So yeah, from there karon.
Pero I'm sure starting out sa karon kibaw naman jud ta na grabe kay yes, it's true, very high tech jud kay ang MCBL. But nabay time na katulad, especially starting out, ma-feeling mo that there's some people that did not believe in your vision.
Yeah.
No, doubt ba?
Namo ganay bashers every sakasa.
No, so
Namo ganay doubt any until mawala ra man ang doubt until they see you na you're successful already. So what I did we just continue what we're doing. We just as long as we know na this is for the Cebu community.
Cebu community.
And we produce also not just for the recreational leagues. We also have the youth leagues also. We also have the youth leagues also na from ages 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So there will be bashers everywhere na at least ang sa atin lang is just do the positive effect on your community lang.
Sakto. And also kanang if the MCBL now, pila naman isgot magagawan jobs kanang category. How many categories is the MCBL now?
Sa ipon sa ako.
Naghana jud
No. Before mango, the MCBL is just solely MCBL. Like
Yes.
it's a Metro Cebu Basketball League.
Kato lang
What I did now, mango, I made the MCBL as the brand already, and we have the sub brands now. So it's a Metro Cebu Basketball League, but still the main one is the 6 foot under. That was the 6 foot under main one. Kay sorry, ang season 1 man ako good. There was naatoy varsity season 1 naatoy varsities.
Okay.
Ex-varsity. Bogs Lianto gani ang MVP ato. Si Bogs.
So pwede ra
Lianto.
X at the time.
That's the season 1.
Season 1 to.
I think Sherilyn won that season 1. And then season 2, tinanggal ko na yung ex-varsities. So I made the 6 foot under. Then Lycans won the Don Aropo group. Lycans, mga the known group also before basketball team. Season 2 sila. And then season 3, as I remember, Gemini, mga taga-Bantayan.
Yung mga...
Oo. Like no varsities pero mga players niya, mga players, grabe ito mga birag mga isda.
Lo, kusgan mo na.
Samantayan ba? Pero duwa, lagi kusganan niya. MVP, as far as I can remember, MVP ato si Solitario, JD Solitario, the lefty. Then season 4, same gihapon.
Sila gyapon.
Season 4, HNG Gonzalez. Silang Tawi Cañedo, mga known panalay players before po. Then season 5, Sherilyn again, silang Boss Richie Boy Mercado. And then season 6, I forgot. Season 6 si Otolab Kilaton. I think si Kilaton.
Aspa man sila.
Season 6. And then season 7, silang ARQ. ARQ leaders lang, Jason Arquesola. And then the MVP there was Tommy Ugsimar. I think that was also the breaking point of Tommy Ugsimar na nailhan gid siya aside from his daily grind. Mas nailhan
as a player,
nailan siya ito. So then season 8 Ecoform si Kilato na pod. And then season 9 Sherilyn, I think, again. Then season 10 ARQ. Then 11, I remember ko, JDCB. And then 12 last year. Kalimut ko last year da.
Ang last year na
Ang last year na nung kalimut ko. Basta sabi na ako, balikan ako later. Basta mo na, those are the seasons then. 6 foot under. And then I have now, by last year, I switched it already to MCBL Gold. Last year was MCBL Gold. Light shipping. Silang Imboy. Kalimut mo ako. In the story of light shipping, they've been doing this for 3 years already. So 3 seasons na. Shane Manina.
Apil sila permente.
Apil sila. So pirmi silang short sa semis. That's why last year, grabe galipay si Imboy. Shout out to Jetro Imboy na, coach, nakuha na po at least nakuha na namo ron kay in any leagues, mostly sila mga leagues na pyramid champion, mga local leagues. Pero di sila ka-champion for 3 seasons sa MCBL.
Yeah.
So you see the difference of the competition of MCBL talaga, na competitiveness.
Competitive kayo.
Kaya nung mo-champion di really, mabito sumugod ako. Before ba? Boss, pang non-MCBL champions na mamugod. Daan sorry so, pero maglagot. Pero lagot in a good way. Lagi coach, bawas lagi mi. Matong, niyakabawas lagi. Tawag na coach, dawagin mi. Naka-champion na gid ka, mabutan na gid mo sa imong office. Kayo last time, nato mo ko sa office, kay nako-deliver na something. Kita ko mga trophies. Trophies sa tawag na CABL, mga trophies niya, Elite or whatever. So, boss, nag-trophies good. Pero na may kuwang diya. Lagi. Na may kuwang diya. Katawa rami. But it's all good. At least naka-champion na po sila. So, by this time, the MCBL, going back to the MCBL, I try to do sub-brands already. We have the MCBL na Junior MCBL,
yes.
MCBL 3x3, the BPO rivals, mga call center, and dagan pa like
so dagan kuan na jud kay kumbaga MCBL ni unya dagan na kay
dagan mga sub brands. So I did man good a roadmap every year. So in this month money, next month money, next month money. This month. So every year it's a whole year of basketball events for this one. So after this one sa MCBL 6 foot, mag-MCBL Gold na ako. So that's season 14 already. So I'm skipping now. So ako nang separate good. So at least para mahapsay tanan kay boss sila unsay division nila, unsay pwede unsay dili.
So handle gyapon nimo jobs no bisa kadako na ron.
Mabait ang lisod. pero once you plot it already, then the schedules are there. That's okay na. But aside pa na sa mga third parties na magpa-organize na ako, like Roof France Basketball League, we had the championship last Tuesday. So congrats to the Roof France Basketball League teams na na humanagid ang tournament. So that was our second year already, second season. Thanks to Attorney Absede and Attorney Vincent Tabunyag. They're the ones who called me. And of course, through Christian Montipalcon, my good friend also. Kanang refer na word of mouth na kani coach. Kaning Jack Sports is mayo ni na organizer. Dili mo dagana na.
Dili mo dagana. Tiwason dyan ang liga.
Tiwason liga. Mo reply ko na siya ganyan. Then also aside from that one, the lawyers. First time na ako na mag-handle na IBP lawyers.
Kana sa Capitol.
Kana sa every Saturday. So mga lawyer gid. So di gyud mapalupig gid.
Adi siya kakapil.
Wag gid eh. So shout out to Attorney Topeang. And Attorney Absede also nag-refer po go with the lawyers because before si Attorney Tope naman na ang nag-organize, so labaran naman siya kay grabe kay dito ko papilde. So what I did when I started, so akong gi-upsay, these are the rules. So medyo I think this year this season medyo mo ni ang pinaka-hapsay na walay gubot good na way away.
MCBL.
No, for the IBP
for
lawyers.
the IBP.
For the IBP tournament.
So this is your first year na nagkuhan kanila?
Sa IBP. So hopefully this won't be the first year. Hopefully kay twice a year man na sila na mag-tournament, mag-season. Twice in a year. So hopefully they will have the semi-final matchup this Saturday, then the next Saturday finals na po. So yeah. So kana aside from the MCBL,
so na mo contact ni mo other leagues na mo na to organize for them.
Yeah.
So like ang courts na job sila na just lay like ilang
they have their own
schedules
much better. Okay, like this one for the IBP, they have na-lock in man na nila ang Capital Parish every Saturdays manggod 1 to 8 PM. So ako dali lang ako mag-plot. So once I have the teams already, the tournament format, I can plot it right away. And except if na yung mga bawal if bawal ang Capital Parish, so you have to move it again, to reschedule it again.
Na sa Glain Court.
Ibutang nga lang. Or sometimes walay kanang game on that day. So okay naman.
So sa MCBL ron job sa ako nabantayan kay dako naman jud kay ang league na karon grabe kay kadaghan. Ang courts like do you play only in City Sports or na ba kailan courts sa MCBL?
We have different courts like City Sports karon Sawang, Calero.
So ako sa Sawang.
I have Wednesdays and Fridays and sometimes Saturdays Sawang, Calero. Before Roadstar in Basak Pardo. Shout out to Dreyfus. Sila may mga owners kasi funny thing, ang Roadstar, dugay na ako nag-aya na before pandemic pa. Kita na ko ang court. So, yeah, timing, ang funny story ani. So, pag pandemic, dugay na ako kita. So, agi going to the south, Matimig South, kani, na court dire, sure ko. Babaw man to, rooftop. Timing, nagka-pandemic man. So, naundang na timing, I think, katong Ondoy man siguro to. Basta katong storm na kusog, naguba. So nangutan ako, sir, kamusta mo diha? Ganyan. Coach, magtarong tabalik. Mag-reconstruct. Kaya nagubalik ako. So, lang go sub. Sige, inala ko, sir. Yan. So, from there, picture na ako. Katong naman na, picture na ako. So, timing man, nag-practice ko sa City Sports that time, sa Jack's Camp. Naabot man si Boss Dre. Yeah. From the south, mo to City Sports.
So, layo.
Kaya nag-check na yung mga upholstery. Ganoon sa mga foam ba dito. Ganoon sa nag-ocular din sa City Sports. Boss Dre man.
Yun sa pagplastada lagi.
Boss Dre! Coach! Unya, kamusta na dito? Okay na to, coach. So, it's a blessing also ba na nag-abot mi dito. Yeah, na okay na. Mo to nag-message balik. Mo to dito na start ang season 10 na games.
Sa Basak Pardo.
And the season 10, it was the season where the mic up started.
Mic up. Bitaw kato parang mag-warm up niya ako. Parang pina-NBA.
Kanang na audio.
Oh.
So, kanang pina-NBA na. So,
the first league in Cebu to do that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, honestly. The first league. Ako, nabade. Mutana ko. Wala.
So that's where the MCBL really shoot up na ilhan gid ba? Because of course, ako as I've said, if ako ay viewer sa live sa mga social media, of course, what I want to know what's in their mind. Unsay mga utok sa mga players, unsay pang istoryaan, mga chismoso ba mga Cebuano sa.
Chismoso dito.
So, of course, we want to learn also from the players, from the coaches, from the players. So that's what I said na. Sabi ko, this season, mag-mic up ta. So, mo to, pag start season, first pa lang good, boom. Player mic up, player to watch. Mic up si, let's say, Joy Manguera. Warm up ka, story ka. So, siyempre, ikaw, you as a player, you're gonna feel different. Like, yung mic up ko, na mali-mali sa ka. Na, yung ka na, you feel like kanang valued ba?
Valued ka
so,
na.
Malipay ka. So, that's what we want always to do sa MCBL. Now, when you join the MCBL or any Jack Sports na among handle na leagues, you're valued yun as a player. So, mo nang main goal na mo. Then, from there, ni Saka, of course, kasi may ganahan yung mic up. So, we're asking the team or we're asking the people sa social media. Tubag man sad. Sige mo na ibutang. So, may ganahan nyo kanina.
So, pa-survey mo sa social media.
Sige, mamalingaw sila. Yeah, o sayang, coach. Labi ng coach.
Akan na, coach, may lingaw.
Coach, ay mga saba. Ay, coach. Ano siya? Mustari ako mga tao. Coach, malikas man. Yo, okay rin na. Okay na kay ano man ta diri di ba not PG-13 or ano man ta di man ta rated no so go it's okay rin na as long as di sa grabe good. So kay ano man gana I always keep telling my crew na you have to look for the emotions kana masuko ingan na emotions kana mag-away or what kanang malipay kanang picture ng mga crowd na nangis mo maganda na to. So you will always find emotions like sa live streaming na mo like when we have the second cam kana mag-zoom in, zoom out me, ana.
Kanang shot sa player ba, yung dagan niya zoom dito.
Actually, mo na akong karon for this season po. So, we add already the second cam. So, kana mag-free throw ka, because we have the wireless connection already. So, pwede ka, bisang nasa ubos, magsunod-sunod ka. So, murami ka ng dagang camera, pero usa na di ka tawag ito yung So, we have a guy who's just going to switch same sa gibuan ni brother sa operator.
Okay.
So, but amo, wala may kanang comset. Okay. Usually mga haya, di ba? Comset man na.
Yes.
Para kay Bokensa. What we do is, after makashot lang mo sa ka-player, in 3 seconds, mo switch. Hindi. Shot a player, mo switch min sa nakashot. Then, mo iya pramig 3, 2, 1. Then, mag-wide na pod me. So, meaning sa main cam. Say money.
Para di mo karamukat na sa dito.
So, mag-wide. So, para di bito ang camera, di mo magandaan na.
Bito. So, mabati man mo.
So, once 3 to, makita na siya. Relax na po siya. So that's one mga of course wala pa ba yung budget na mag-comset or kaya ba. So at least what we do lang is we maximize what we can do. Okay. So from there from the commentators from the mics. So mo na siya.
Bito nindot sa bito na concept bito.
So mo na ang season 10 gid is one of the kanang naka-shoot up gid because of the mic up. As what you said ganina, pag mic up na mo sa MCBL, other leagues did the mic up already.
So okay.
So dapat na ako shoutout sa Boyang Mike eh.
Okay.
Dapat or kundi kaning sure na lang ng mic.
Di
ba?
Okay, so nanay nila yung leagues na nagkuhan. Ako nabantayan sa imuha bitaw niya. I think the first.
But again, it's when you're doing leagues mo it's about consistency mo good.
Lendol kero niya sunod
because some leagues mo good because they are like some leagues good because so that they can compete with the MCBL. Binababali lang, they're lowering the price. But of course, if you lower the price, they will be at cost. There will be some
problema sa cost.
Problems talaga. One, you're cutting costs for sa tao. You're cutting costs sa tao na mag-reels or mag-live. So, mabate good. So that's the reason why also high-end premium ang MCBL. Actually, di gagawin premium comparing to Manila. Na ako yung mga teams or mga coaches sa Manila nag-handle organized leagues. Coach, magkano yung ano mo? Magkano yung quota tawag sa Manila? Magkano yung quota mo sa Jan Cebu? So I said, this one. 2,000 per player. Okay. Tapos with uniforms na, with uniforms ba to? Pero we do game fees. Game fees na mo ko is 1,500 game fee.
The whole again, per team.
Per team na. So 1,500 game fee. But then again, as I've said, it's just like you're paying 100 pesos for a runs, 'di ba? Na naka-live, na naka-pitik, na naka-reels, na naka-stats, 'di ba? So, na naka-MCBL duwa. So it's just the same thing. I go, okay. But I remember one coach said, for the love of the game, manda imuha, no? For the love of the game lang pala yun sa'yo, no? So meaning, barato talaga for them. Kasi quota sa Manila, umabot ng 70, 80 per team.
Gabi, ano?
But of course, ang venue nila is mahal man sa
cost there
2,500, 3,500. Sabi ko, pero mga players in Manila, the players pay. Was lang paki kung ilang games lang, pero they play talaga. Sabi ko, di mo siguro yan nakabaratang Cebu. No? Kung Cebu, dato ba yan ang mga Cebu?
Oo.
Diba? Karong magani nag-fuel hike, namalit ang mga sakyan ng
Namalit ang BYD. Sila dito na problema ang Cebu. Namalit ang BYD.
Sila dito, problema, Cebu. Kato pag undoy day, pag storm na to, problema sila guay tubig, guay kurente. Cebuano, namalit og generator eh. Nag-hotel tanan. Ang bugiro sa mga Cebuano.
Bito, di na dyan mabintaan ba ang Cebu
diba?
ba?
So what I'm saying is Cebu Manggod. At first at first if they don't see the value of what they're paying, they won't pay talaga.
Kaya.
But once they see the value that they're paying na okay, makasabot sila. So because anad magod sa province good. Excuse me. Anad magod sa province like maybe before 2004 I started ako basically I'm from Manila magid. Quezon City major ko. So born and raised in Manila. So first when I started here sa Cebu, akong brother nangaon may kanang dili pungko kanang burger machine type na maligya. Pila gud to ang longganisa sa una 2004, 2005 piso.
Piso pa.
One stick piso. So sabi ko, kuya, magkano bayad mo? I think kami dalawa parang 20 pesos, 50 pesos. Sabi ko, ha? 50 lang. Oh, giga may nagduwa basket sa Aurelio. Ha? 50? Oh, mura lang dito. Okay. So, I think that's the part also where that's why the reason why Cebu people are rich. Tato yung mga tao dire. But because naanan sila sa lifestyle na ingani ang cost. So, mura ka na. So, as I've said, we have to value kung magliga ka. Like, for example, yung mga utanan ako mga baby leagues. Coach, gusto manin mo. You have to value manggod na people will pay manggod as long as they see the value na ilang gibayaran.
Makita ba na uy okay man din uy mahal man
Some will understand. Mahal at first they will say, mahal sa nanoy. Pero once you see your production, your output, your consistency, your the schedule, the venues, bantog.
Kana way problema ba? So ninyo dito na aday na venue limpyo.
Hapsay tanan, di bitaw kita. Kasi may mga kontra, asa mo duwa. Usa may sulubo na mo. So nana mo tanan uniform. So inyo lang iguro duwa.
Tunga na lang mo
tunga na lang mo iguro gano. Namatay bola. Di ako siya patadog bola. Ang bola yung panggamit sa warm up, di ba? So
kana bitaw so more kan organization nimo is built in diba so you're there as a players and the team managers you're paying for the organization the peace of mind bitaw kay ako kasabot sa kuan na kay kupot man sa tag team sa una bitaw kana igabot nimo dito way kay problema wala hassle liki asa naman ning kuan lang court slide bantaan di ba as a player ba murag sa mga fans sila ka feel na pero kita di ba na igabot to mag-uul ta ba slide man ni diri di ba kana mga ingana ba. Pero ma-value na to as a player. Mo tan ako jobs kay karon very successful naman jud kay ang MCBL and I have to ask this kay daghan mo kay mga small conversations lang ba na madawat do nako na ang Cebu magud karon is yes it's a premier city na jud as we've mentioned na jud makakompete na jud sa Manila. Ang Manila players like misgo tag sa collegiate level lang katulad Daklitan like UAP, NCAA they have a lot of exposure diba kaya aside sa main league the UAP, NCAA they play a lot of pocket leagues within the year na so of course kibaw jud ta as a player now more leagues you play mas grabe jud ang improvement exposure
experience. So
do you see MCBL or maybe Javi Bautista creating an inter-school league pohon like Sisafi type or not necessarily Sisafi type pero something na similar like inter-school?
Maybe we're just trying to do to supplement Sisafi.
Okay.
Sisafi will be there. Sisafi
of course, that's the main league.
That's the main league already. So what we're trying to do as an organizer siguro, we're just trying to supplement the league. Sisafi League just for the players improvement ba?
Yes.
Okay, like after Sisafi wala na may like
wala na.
summer.
Wala.
So after Safi, I think we're trying to do this summer. We're trying to do hindi this summer by next year. We're trying to do a pocket league siguro. Na it's backed by big companies. Na there will be like leagues now where an avenue bitaw for the teams na to invite players na bag-o or mga team B players. Because that's the problem ang good with Cebu. Wala tay kana bitong team B. What type players na ready?
Developmental
development. What type, good one. What type developmental na team? Unlike sa Manila, of course I tried in Manila, they have team D, team E,
Grabe, no?
team F, Team C, sobra kadaghan.
Gabaha ang player.
Gabaha player. The leagues also there are left and right, up and down. So I remember during my high school stint sa UPIS, duwa may morning, duwa may afternoon, udto lunch, duwa may afternoon. So in one whole day, one weekend, mo na yung buhaton. So mga teams, mga players lang, grabe ang ilang duwa gyud. So well, hopefully by this year, next year, we will have some big companies who would partner with Jack Sports
Okay.
na to create a league for the college or the high school league. But for now, we have the junior MCBL ongoing na this weekend. That's every summer also. The 10 years old, 12, 14, 16, 18. I have teams also from Sisapi teams or Sisapi players who joined. But they're not bringing the school name. They're bringing the sponsor's name.
So kanang pohon liga mo upcoming, not necessarily dili kaning ongoing katong yung giplano jobs.
Yes.
Will they be bringing the school name?
Yes, that's the target. So bring the school name, and we're trying to look for sponsors also to partner with the school. Of course, we all know man said na,
Lagi, cost.
na there will be cost also. But the main concern here is number one, exposure sa mga players nato, and second, of course, as a coach myself, you will know your players' strengths and weaknesses. Hindi man na makita basta sa because there are some players manggod na maayo kayo sa practices. Unya banga sa games. There are players pero sometimes there are players banga sa practices pero maayo sa games. So that's what as for me as a coach, mo na magana makitaan. Nga na ba?
Bitaw kay usually magod sa experience magod sa most teams ako, I talk to some coaches bitaw na igsisafi may buong sila na fighter makay kuning bata gikuha ako din niya nagsisafi na ron murag wa man niya maglisod na nun sila adjust second half na sa season na kinsa ilang pasudlo
Wala na.
lisod na kayo so sayang ba so it would be good for Cebu basketball pohon if we see like murag inyong concept murag pina Father Martin sa Manila murag ingana
Nike Father Martin's Cup.
di ba kanang yes it's not competing with the main leagues but it's just supplemental so very exciting for Cebu basketball. Excited kay ko.
Yeah. Dali ra na.
Dali ra bitaw di ba so what man nagsugod lang ball club di ba mo na bitaw ball club na league mo sa una jobs di ba.
Aside from that, I have connections already with the coaches man sad. So coaches from here in Cebu, coaches from Manila also, we can connect them. Especially Manila teams, they love to go to Cebu. Ambot nga nung ganang sa Cebu.
Okay.
Because Cebu manggod nindot manggod na area like.
Abinog ang recruitment.
Pero if you'll see
but we're proud.
If you look at the players sa UAAP, NCAA or even the PBAs, mostly mga
Bisaya bitaw.
So kana lang yun. I think we have the players but we don't have the avenue yet. In Cebu like ang Mindanao mo Laos sa Luzon. What I want to do is Mindanao mo to Visayas mo to Luzon. Nga na ba? Or maybe we can do Visayas lang yun. Ang Luzon na po namuari sa Visayas ba? So that's the main goal good.
Pohon no. Base no. We'll never know.
If we have if Sisafi will really level up to a UAAP or an NCAA level na exposure ba? Bisaya players would not they don't need to go to Manila already to be exposed to go to the PBA.
Yes.
Diba? So more mo na that's number one reason man good that's why they go to the UAPs because the exposure in Manila.
Max kayo.
Exposure NCAA and then the marketing and all and it's a stepping stone going to the PBA. So our target here is from Visayas mula sa PBA like kay Junmar. Pero Junmar is ano naman good?
One of a kind.
One of a kind naman good siya good. So from UC to PBA man siya. But di mo sa makita pero may 6'10 guy.
Lisod kay mangita gingana
nabuutan sa
hard worker, di ba? So shout out PBA GOAT. In our opinion, Junmar Fardo.
Wala na, it's the GOAT. He's the GOAT.
He's the GOAT, Jud. Grabe, Jud kayo. At least pohon jobs, no? Na siya. Because nasa ko'y madungga na basin mahimo sa kag NCAA pero maglayo pa kayo na. Maglayo pa kayo na.
I don't know. It depends kay actually Coach Mike Reyes, my coach, he is now the program director of FEU.
Okay.
So honestly, gistoryaan mi ako, Coach Vince, si Coach Kim, yung anak na to go to FEU. help me sa high school program. But then again, Coach Mike said na, ikaw jobs eh, di ba? Jobs. Ikaw, okay ka naman, establish ka naman dito eh. Si Coach, okay naman, for experience, kahit 1 month punta ako doon, lipad ako dito, okay lang, tulong-tulong ako sa akin. Kasi of course, I want to learn from my mentor still. Bisag, I'm not saying I'm an established coach already, bisag, I have to keep on learning what mga bago karon nga na. So I learned it from Coach Mike. So yeah, so from there we'll see if unsay matabo. Pero shoutout to Coach Vince Orota na nasa Adamson karon.
Okay.
So now he's with Adamson na. Gikuha siya ni Coach Ryan.
Coach Ryan, of course.
So with Coach Ryan also. So yeah, so ako pero still the experience of being in a UAAP area Manggod it's so different.
Yeah, if
like
we
the
talk
crowd,
today,
the school spirit.
Grabe school spirit. Uy.
For me, that's the missing important part in Sisapi schools is the school spirit. Like before, moto ka glasal, di ka pwede mag-blue.
Di ba?
Vice versa, moto ka tanayo, di ka pwede mag-green. Patay ka.
Green ka niya.
Green ka dire, patay ka. Do ka UP, di ka pwede mag-other colors aside from maroon or white or black.
Tinga na ba? No? So, puhon na sa Safi, no?
So hopefully, mo atong San Carlos, nga nakablumang ka.
Nakabluma ka. Taga-UC ka?
Taga-UC ka ng green man ka.
Green man ka.
Nga na ba? So, I want to, lami ka storya ng mga schools bitaw. Na nga na, mo ni atong need. And if you do this man good, the problems with the enrollment problems, it will rise man good.
Tinood.
Why do UAP schools grabe lang marketing sa school?
Gasto, grabe.
Gasto silang maayo. It's because of their sa enrollments ba?
Tinood.
Nagay ko mga dungog-dungog diha. There will be some schools na some Sisapi schools members already na by next year hindi na mo join or this year.
Oh, okay.
Nabi mga dungo-dungo. I'm not gonna say it here.
Okay. But okay, that's a sad
thing
development.
So, di ba? So, you'll see that one. Why is this happening? So, I think the Sisapi board should, if the Sisapi would want to talk to me, no problem.
Bitaw.
Di ba? Shout out to Sisapi, di ba? So, yeah. So, kana naman, that's the only way na the enrollment problems na masolusyonan ba?
Yeah, bitaw.
You have to bring the school spirit. Kana ba itong garbo? Uy,
garbo na
Joey Manguera. Ako ng classmate na ako. Nga ba? So, again, it all boils down to the value manggod of the player. So I'm not saying walay value ang Sisapi karon, but I'm saying you have to put more value sa atong players.
They can do more.
They can do more. Like nagabuhaton like podcast, storya ni mga players. You do a player hype with this player bitaw. So sayang manggod, they have the platform already but they're not maximizing it.
So puhon bitaw, I mean, all we want is for the good region of Cebu basketball bitaw. Even before na nagduwa ta, di ba, mag-imagine na bitaw no lamia taon tayo, ingani.
Kalau magaso na newspaper ang mga lipay na kayo ta.
Lipay na
kayo. Mo palit kayo newspaper. Shout out to Sunstar si Badele. Freeman.
For reporting our scores on time.
Kita ni mo pak, uy, Bautista. Karon pa na highlights, na reels, na pictures mga players diba. So
makita ligo na sa una, Manguera, 3-2, lipay, bisa ka na lang, lipay na kay Kai.
Lipay na, eclipse na ibo ta.
Katong album. Ano po yung photo album, ana?
Nga na ba? So, actually, that's karon sa akong anak. Muna akong gipang buhat like the videos, the clips, as much as possible. Mo to gipang clip na ako karon. Shout out to my kid, Kinan. And my daughter, Kendra. And my wife, Cathy. Muli na ko.
Hapit na. Relax lang ako sa kuptan sa kunin siya kajot. Kaya wapa man ang 10 o'clock. Amo sa abot. Bitaw. Well, back when you were playing jobs, mababalik lang ko kay Murag. I think, if I'm not mistaken, talking to you now, na Murag, I think, did you have this builder mindset? Or naka-imagine ba kasi yourself na maingani ka karon na commissioner/coach way back when you were playing?
Wala. I explain like, of course, when you're young, all you gotta do is just want to just do play. But I saw manggod na maybe it's calling also na it's God's calling also na I'm in this area na manggod. I'm in this environment already na why don't you do more na lang for the community and for the kids. So that's where the leagues starts kicking in. As a coach also, I develop kids na so I need to make a league na dili bitaw sige practice. I need to make a league na where my kids can compete.
Compete.
Oh, so muna. So then from there it just followed naman sa. Kaya before ano ba ako? Medyo snibay ba ako sa una. Kasi kalimut ka.
Lagi.
So okay, ba ako sa medyo snibay. Like online seller ba? Like
Medyo snibay,
online,
yes. Nakapalit siya ko ate.
2013. Sige, grabe yan. I don't know. It just kicks in siguro my business mind. My business mind siguro.
Player pa ba ka to?
Player pa ko sa una. Malig ako.
Kati mo stride line.
4 for 1,000. 4 for 1,000. Dito, nipatok na 2013, 2012, 2013.
Oh. Ang sapatos sila yung balay-balay.
Balay-balay. Mga city socks. Color. It started like, so sometimes makatawa man sa good ko asa kagikan sa antol ka nung abot ni Moro, and then karon hantod karon mga ganyan may mga medyas makita nako no stride line.
Napabantod karon stride line.
Wala gid ako, coach imo pa ni. Ay bakla orte guwang nako. Ay sa bakla orte guwang nako ina lang good stride line na.
Stride line na.
Kana mga obo sa una, shout out to Carl. Mga baligan ako sa una stride line. So ambot lang sa which is karon I'm having now a store in City Sports Club. So
yes, shout out
to my watch out for my store in City Sports Club. So, I have my own uniform already, the Court General. So it's a branding already for my uniforms, and also an office also for Jack Sports.
Okay.
Ako nang gilegalize naman ako ang sports organizing na ako.
Okay.
So kada mga sports fest dia companies dia it's a story at sa una mahadlok pa man da kay okay resibo pero karon say okay na may resibo man ganahan pila man
Kada so
of course mag-business ka kailangan mo ganun. If you're a business you have to be legal
especially ikaw na taon na sige lang na mga nag-starting pakasabot raman ta na it's very hard to start, di ba?
Correct.
Pero of course karon okay, last question na to because we're running out of time. Kuan Jabs kani, if mawala ang MCBL tomorrow, unsay mawala sa Cebu Basketball?
Definitely it's the value of creating this league for the local people. Okay, so the feeling that they have this live, the feeling they have this game photos, the reels, and the highlights na makita lang social media. I'm not saying mawala gitanan, but of course, MCBL has been there for 10 years already. It's 2016, and I think it's been a part siguro, maybe some parts of Cebu. I think naabot na akong logo man ganin naabot na sa North. Karang gikapi na logo. Ako, there's no problem with me, but at least I felt na we really made an impact already with the Cebu basketball community, and which was my main goal, kid. Our mission and vision in 3 years time na there will be some leagues na or some leagues that will pop out like a mushroom. Well, it happened. So ako I'm thankful for that na some people see this league as their like inspiration also, and that's our goal. We to inspire the people to create more leagues for Cebu people. But at the end of the day, we want to create leagues manggod to produce quality players for Cebu people.
Correct. So, moto siya, bitaw, last segment of the Jobs, would you like to shout out friends, family, friends?
Yeah, so shout out sa akong wife, Kathy, to my kids, Keenan and Kendra, and to my friends, Japheth, Christian Montefalcon, Bucket Bolt, and On The Queue, may mga Facebook page sila, and Hoop Watch also, and i-shout out pa sa nila. Shout out sa nila.
Ikaw naranin mo.
Ay, lalaki. Nalang mo talaga hapon. Hindi man, load to. Shout out to Neil. And also to my crew. From Jo Marie, Paolo, Lee, Abil, Maki, Moreno, Mike, and Ryan. Sa dagan sila. Dagan. To my referees also. To my group. Shout out to you guys, and hopefully continue watching Joey Manguera's podcast. Mayo kayo gipang buhat dire, and thank you to our place.
Bagong Pilipinas
Studio. Mayo, gwapong studio. And the people to the back, na to operators, and thank you for letting me guess here.
Thank you kayo. Sumoto siya guys, nadungog ninyo ang story ni Javi Bautista na player turned builder and one of the Ligue-on na haligi. Para dyan ako, Ligue-on na haligi sa Cebu Basketball and hopefully pohon more things to come for him and Cebu Basketball. So, Jobs, thank you kayo.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you kayo.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
One call away, Ramanda.
Salamat dyan kayo. Thank you kayo and good afternoon.